when the divination dice fell, the dice ka-chang, there were people in their rooms. 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, that's US dollars, 5,000, 6,000, 7,000. Hey, dinner time. Ah! I'm busy! What are you doing? I'm counting my money! Oh yeah, you're very busy. What name is 99,000. And then the kachang, you're going to be the head of the committee. How much is it going to cost me? How much, Rinpoche, how much? Nothing, doesn't cost you anything at all. So we lied to her. Oh. Nothing? Nothing at all. And you collect merits. What am I going to do with merits? You get more money. I'll be the president. I will be the president. You'll be in charge of the Zambala section, Zambala statues, promoting Zambala, making money, making merit. You, yes. Really? Really have to make more money? Yes. In this life and next life you'll be even more rich. Really? $45 million? Really? That's fabulous. Can I count my money while I'm in puja? Sure you can. But things people might ask for, oh, that's true. Do we know someone like that here? Then we have secret money hoarders and counters. We have secret people who have some money and they don't want you to know, and they have little teeny little passbooks and saving books and notebooks that's written so small and so meticulously. Why? Because they can carry things around with all their money that nobody knows because they don't want big books. They're very quiet because they want to show that they don't have money. I don't want to point any fingers like people like Joy or, you know, or Joseph. No, I don't want to point fingers at Joe or Joe. They sit there like Joe at night. He's not so obnoxious and rude and so blasé and so show off like some lady presidents, you know. I mean, they can. These are powerful ladies, but they're more subtle. They're like, you know, let's see, 1 million sing here. Me from there, and I'm renting that house. And every month I get this one. And it's so teeny, you know, and it adds up to a lot of millions, you know. And then they can see it because they're like, why do you think that happened? Why? Why do you think they're like, I mean, they've been squinting for so many years looking at these small figures because they don't want anybody to know or what's going on or to know how much. They dress in clothes they got from flea markets. They dress around the flea markets and they roll their pants up. And they wear really crappy clothes, and they have nothing, and they carry cloth bags, and they walk around like this. $8 million. And then suddenly, you're going to be head of KMB. You have to change your clothes, you have to groom, you have to buy pants that fit. And they look at their I only have 8 million Sing dollars left. So I'm going to take out 1,000 minus 8 million. Okay, that means whenever I go out to eat for the next 6 months, I'll have already paid for me that I'll make up for it. And they have teeny little pass, very small, they keep it hidden. They walk like that, you know why? So they don't stand up straight and you say, use some money. And I'm telling you, you ever wonder why? Really, something. If we were to look at their passbooks to see how much they have, we'd need a magnifying glass. Oh yes. But that's how they were. And it's no one's business if they want to dress like a bad person and they want to save their money. No, it's no one's business. In fact, I do all this with respect, but that's how they were. And there's nothing wrong, and no one can criticize it. People live the way they want, as long as they don't hurt others. But look where they can be. And that's what Buddhahood and Tantra is telling us about. We can be much more than this. Don't look at just what you have. Don't look at just this moment. Don't look at just these small things around you. We can be much more. Much, much more. So we can leave our passbooks behind. Maybe we can, you know, if we're really unattached, we can actually leave it in our house with the potential someone might see it. That would really mean renunciation. If someone sees it, oh, Oh yes. Yes. In fact, if someone sees it, it might be. That's right. But for us to be able to do that much, think about it.